Okay. I'd like to welcome you everybody in our this lecture of Basic Mechanical Engineering, that is BCME2, and today we are going to discuss chapter number 5, pump, compressor and turbine. You know that this particular chapter is having weightage of how many marks? 11 marks. Understand? And theoretical treatment is there. Means in this chapter there are no any kind of the numericals. Now the second slide is related with the syllabus of our chapter pump, compressor and turbine. And you know that this particular chapter has been divided in a two parts. Number one, power absorbing device. Number two, power producing device. Pump and compressor are the part of the power absorbing device, and this turbine is a part, or turbine is known as a power producing device. So in this way, we will have to study these three devices: pump, compressor and the turbine in our this discussion related with the syllabus. Understand? Now I request you, give the heading on a new page. You just write at the top side of the page as a pump, unit number 5, pump, compressor, turbine. Have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So just leave this first page, full first page. पहला जो पेज है, front and back, you leave it as it is. And on second page, you write first point, that is number, or you can write as a power absorbing devices. Okay. On new page, you just write power absorbing devices. Below that, you write A, pumps. On a new page, you will have to write power absorbing devices, and below that you will have to write A, okay, dot pumps. Okay. So if you will take a look of your syllabus, in power absorbing devices, as far as pump is going to be concerned, we will have to concentrate on number one, definition, classification, construction, working and application of reciprocating and centrifugal pump. This much is the syllabus of pumps. First three lines: definition, classification, construction, working, application of reciprocating and centrifugal pump. Okay, so now let us start with the definition of the pump. What is the definition of the pump? Okay, so here in the first line itself, I have mentioned the definition of the pump, and very carefully you also have to concentrate on it. आपको इस पे ध्यान केंद्रित करना है कि what is the definition of the pump. Let us read loudly. You will have to read it by sitting at your place only, and take care that you have mute yourself. A pump, yes, repeat with me. A pump is a mechanical device used to lift or convey the liquid from one place to another place. Okay, very simple definition. What is the pump? Pump is a mechanical device. See, This particular word is very much important. Why we are studying the pump in our basic mechanical engineering? Because it is mechanical device. So pump is a mechanical device which is used to lift or convey. Lift yani uthana. Okay. Convey means just passing it from one point to another point. Okay. So this is the mechanical device which is utilized. Okay. जो यूज किया जाता है किसके लिए? To lift or convey the liquid from one place to other place. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ये जो liquid है, actually it may be a fluid because sometime you can see some material like a semi-solid or gel-like material also you can transfer with the help of the pump. But here we are just going to discuss related with the liquid. Okay, the liquid means any kind of the liquid. It may be oil, it may be water, it may be some mixture of some two materials which may have the basic component, it's liquid. So pump is a mechanical device which is used to lift or convey the liquid from one place to another place or one place to other place. Understand? So now the second that statement is very much important as far as introduction is concerned because it is going to provide you the meaning of pumping. What do you mean by pump? Pumping means adding pressure energy to the liquid to move it from one place to another. Pumping means what? Simple thing is there. See, pumping means we will have to add the pressure. We will have to add the pressure just behind the liquid so that liquid will be pushed in a forward direction. And when it will be pushed in a forward direction, it means it can be transferred from one point to another point. अगर पानी है, आपके पास पानी है और पानी उसके पाथ में एक जगह रुका हुआ है, तो उस पानी को आगे के दिशा में प्रवाहित करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? आपको उसको प्रेशर एनर्जी ऐड करनी पड़ेगी. And when you are going to add the pressure energy to the liquid, then that process is known as a pumping. And there are many mechanical elements are utilized to pump it. Actually, when you are going to pump it, you can pump it with the help of different kind of the mechanical element. You know that when you are going to perform this pumping action, we are using the pumps. What do you mean by pump? Pump, once again, it is a mechanical device, and that device we are running with the help of the electrical energy. Understand? So this electrical energy will be absorbed by this particular pump and work will be performed. And here work is done. Why work is done? Because this liquid is going to change its position. And you know that force into displacement, what is going to give it? Can anybody tell me?
Work.
Exactly. Force into displacement means work. When you are doing something, it means the force should be added to the system and the component should displace from one point to another. So here displacement of the liquid is taken place. Just keep in mind, displacement of the liquid is taken place. Understand? Now the next point is about which I was discussing, that this pumping action can be performed by using different mechanical element. Which are those different mechanical element? So here you can see the mechanical element may be the piston, plunger, impeller, propeller, gear, and screw. Now, some of the word in this particular mechanical element are quite familiar with you. For example, you have heard the word, I think, piston, then gear, screw. Some of you may know about the propellers. Some of you maybe know about this plunger. Understand? Means this word we have heard. Means these are the thing but the common mechanical element. And by using that common mechanical element, we are exactly pumping the liquid, or we are doing the pumping activity. How? Just to try to remind the experience of your life as far as this Rang Panchami is going to be concerned. होली का जो त्योहार होता है उसमें हम we are using पिचकारी. Understand? That is one kind of the pump actually. What we are doing, we are just putting it in a color, means with liquid form. We are dragging it. When you are dragging it, then you are creating the vacuum over there, and this liquid is taking place of that particular empty part, vacuum. And when you want to put color on somebody else, then you are just pressing the piston or pressing that plunger, and when you are just putting the force on that plunger, it will move in a forward direction, and that piston part is going to going to generate the pressure energy on the liquid color, okay, or colored liquid. And that particular liquid with pressure, it will be, or it is put on the person to whom you want to color. यानी कि जिसको हमको कलर करना है उस व्यक्ति के लिए हम क्या करते हैं कि पिचकारी लेते हैं, लिक्विड में डालते हैं. जब हम उसको आउटसाइड प्रेस करते हैं प्लंजर को, तो क्या होता है, वैक्यूम इज गोइंग टू बी जनरेटेड ओवर देयर, लिक्विड इज टेकिंग प्लेस ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर वैक्यूम. एंड व्हेन यू वांट टू पुट, और आप जब आपको वो कलर किसी पे डालना है, then you can once again you can put force on the plunger. Plunger will transfer that force on the piston. Piston will generate the pressure on that liquid, and pressurized liquid is coming out through the nozzle of that particular pichkari. Understand? So these are the some very common type of the pumping operation. Same principle, it has been used in the injection. You might have seen that injection. आपने जिंदगी में कभी ना कभी इंजेक्शन लिया ही होगा, और अगर आपको याद नहीं है तो मैं बता दूं कि जब आपको कुछ पता ही नहीं था उस वक्त भी आपको इंजेक्शन लगाया गया है जब आप छोटे थे. ओके, बट दैट इज नॉट द पार्ट ऑफ आवर डिस्कशन. जस्ट आई वांट टू टेल यू दैट वेरी fundamental or basic components in our day-to-day life we are using for this pumping of operations. Gears and screws, you are familiar with it. आपको पता है कि gears और screws क्या रहते हैं, gears कहाँ यूज किए हुए रहते हैं, हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं. Okay, now the basic thing, what pump actually does. The pump converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Now, I just want to remind you, you have studied law of conservation of energy. Everybody knows about it. ऊर्जा अक्षयतेचा नियम सबको पता है. Am I correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
it tells? Energy can neither be created,
No,
Be
be
destroyed.
Be destroyed.
right, nor be destroyed.
but can be
transfer from
one
one
form
form
to
to one.
Exactly. It can be transferred from one point to or one form to another form. The same thing we are going to use it. Here, pump, what is going to happen in a pump, I want to tell you. Mechanical energy can be transferred into hydraulic energy. This particular point is very much important. It may be asked in multiple choice question. What pump or pump converts mechanical energy into dash dash 1 2 3 4 or A B C D. A whatever may be, second hydraulic energy, third chemical energy, 4 something option will be asked. At that time you will have to just keep in your mind that pump converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Once again, repeat with me. Pump converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. Okay. So this particular first point is all about almost the definition and introduction of the pump. Okay. So this first point to this point, it is all about the definition and we can say that introductory part of pump. So I request you that please take your pen and write down the things which I am going to tell you. Are you ready with your pen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
Yes, sir.
write down the definition. पंप आपने लिखा हुआ है, उसके सामने कोलन दे दो. कोलन मीन्स व्हाट? 2 डॉट लगाने हैं आपको. ओके, 2 डॉट उस नेम के पंप के सामने 2 डॉट लगाने हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट लाइन यू विल हैव टू राइट अ पंप इज a pump is a mechanical device used to lift or convey the liquid from one place to other. पंपिंग मीन्स, त्याच्या समोरच उसके सामने ही लिखना है आपको. डोंट राइट इट एट नेक्स्ट लाइन, उसके सामने ही लिखिए. पंपिंग मीन्स एडिंग pressure energy to the liquid to move it from one place to other place. One place to other place. This is done by means of piston, comma plunger, comma impeller, comma propellers, comma gears, and screws, etc., which are basically the elements of a pump. The elements of the pump. The elements of the pump. Thus, 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 pump converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. And underline this statement: mechanical energy into हाइड्रोलिक एनर्जी. इस स्टेटमेंट को अंडरलाइन कीजिए. Now we will move towards the second point, and it is classification. Actually, there is a very broad classification in this, but as far as principle of operation is going to be concerned, principle of operation means what? उसको चलाने का तरीका, उसे उसका जो एक्चुअल वर्किंग होता है, उस वर्किंग का जो तरीका है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन दैट pumps are classified into 4 general categories, and out of that 4 general categories, 2 category we are going to study because it is mentioned in our syllabus, and remaining 2 we are not going to study because it is not in our syllabus. But definitely, if time permits, I will tell you what is actually the part rotary pump and jet pump. Okay, so just write down once again.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, in pumping, the pressure energy same as mechanical energy or not?
What?
In pumping, the pressure energy is same as mechanical energy or not?
No. Mechanical energy is a totally different concept. Mechanical energy means what? The energy which has been generated with the help of the mechanical elements. Hello.
And the pressure energy?
Pressure energy, when we are bringing that mechanical energy into existence, with the help of this all elements of the pump, when you are going to generate that mechanical energy, out of that particular energy, some of the part will be utilized to generate that pressure energy, to put it on that particular water, because you know that in the process there will be some of the losses of energy.
Okay, sir.
Mechanical energy, it means the energy which will be generated with the help of this mechanical element in the pump. Understand?
Okay, sir. Okay.
It will leads to generate the pressure energy. This pressure energy will be put on the liquid. and that liquid will get the hydraulically energized, यानी कि प्रेशराइज लिक्विड आपको बाहर मिलेगा, और वो प्रेशराइज लिक्विड इट कैन वंस अगेन यूटिलाइज फॉर द डिफरेंट ऑपरेशन. So that will be the very big concept. But as far as this introductory part is going to be concerned, you just keep in mind that it is converting mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. And in that particular 2 points, mechanical energy into hydraulic energy, उसमें भी बहुत से operations होते हैं. Understand? So we are just looking towards the broad view. First of all, mechanical energy, which is generated with the help of these elements. And this is the hydraulic energy, which is nothing but our output. Okay. So the next point is according to the principle of operation, यानी वर्किंग करने का जो उसका स्टाइल है, उस वर्किंग स्टाइल को लेके the pump are classified into 4 points. Number 1, reciprocating, centrifugal, rotary, and jet pump. Out of these 4 pumps, this rotary and jet is not in our syllabus. So we are going to concentrate on first 2, that is reciprocating pump and centrifugal pump. So in a next lecture, we will concentrate, we will study the classification of pump, and then we will see reciprocating and centrifugal pump. So I think this is enough for our today's lecture, introductory part. I request you, once again, you repeat it at your home. If you are having any doubt, then you can call me. My number is with everybody. Okay. So have a nice day. Thank you very much for your patience listening. All the best. Thank you.